Hi everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponers. So today I'm here with Kroger. Buy one, get one free deals for this awesome sale that will run from the 9th through the 15th of January. So yeah, really good deals. This is not coupon matchups. I did a whole entire video about that you need to check out. This is just pictures of all the BOGO items. I may have missed a couple because I am human, but still really awesome deals at Kroger. Now, yeah, like I said, check out that other video I did if you want to see deals, because there are so many deals that you just don't want to miss, because you just don't. So, yeah, but this is just me telling you all the potential BOGO deals, all the ones that are on sale, buy one, get one free. So keep in mind there are two different ways Kroger rings up sale items like this. The first one is true BOGO deals. This is, okay, so it depends on where you live. Some stores, which is really annoying that it happens like this, but some stores have it ring up. The first one rings up full price. The second one rings up zero. If it's like that, you can only use a coupon on the one that rings up with a price. The zero one will not accept the coupon. Now, a lot of other stores are a non-BOGO store, which is where it will ring up just half off. You only have to buy one. You don't even have to buy two if you don't want to. So that's really simple and that's easier, but you know, each store is different, so check with your store and just see, like, do a price check and you'll know. So yeah, let's dive right in. First up, Chobani Greek yogurt is buy one, get one free. We did get some coupons for that in the 1-6 Smart Source. I actually didn't even find this in my store to get a picture. I didn't even think to look. But that would be a good deal with that coupon. The Private Selection meat or cheese in the deli is buy one, get one free. I didn't see this tagged at my store either. Nature's Own bread, the Kraft singles, or the Sargento cheese is buy one, get one free. We did get Sargento coupons in this last set of inserts. The Nabisco snack sacks or Rockstar energy drinks are buy one, get one free. The pork back ribs are buy one, get one free. The Sea Cuisine crusted fish fillets, buy one, get one free. I promise, I actually have physical in-store pics for the rest of them. I just didn't find these at my store, like I didn't see the tags. Alright, these 1915 drinks are buy one, get one free at $3.99. This chuck roast is buy one, get one free. The Oscar Mayer wieners are $2.99, buy one, get one free. Strangely enough, all the Kroger shrimp is buy one, get one free. Like, every single one of them are buy one, get one, so that's a phenomenal price. The $7.99 bags of Cooked Perfect meatballs are buy one, get one free, and we do have coupons for those. The Turkey Hill ice cream is buy one, get one free. The Breyers ice cream is buy one, get one free. So they have so many different brands and types of vitamins that are buy one, get one free. We got coupons in this last set of inserts. Then the Osteo Biflex is also buy one, get one free. And you heard me do a matchup on this in my coupon deals video. If you haven't, click the little line in the top right corner to check that out. The Intamin's Donuts or the Little Bites are buy one, get one free. Scott Toilet Paper, the Comfort Plus, is buy one, get one free. Private Selection and the Kroger brand K-Cups are buy one, get one free. Post cereal and the General Mills cereals are buy one, get one free. The Ruffles chips are buy one, get one free. This Private Selection pasta is buy one, get one free. The Nabisco snack sacks are buy one, get one free. And also the Sargento cheese is buy one, get one free. So yeah, that's all the great BOGO deals. And yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Check out the other Kroger video if you haven't already. And, yeah, thank you so much for watching.